You've eaten thousands of them, but you've never seen the secret formula inside until now. Watch closely.
Welcome back. We're now entering the purification stage. The mist is dense but perfectly safe, ensuring a completely sterile environment moving forward.
You've eaten them, but you've never seen how they are really made.
Let's go inside the world's most advanced meat factory.
Every single day, millions of pounds of premium meat arrive here to fuel the nation's hunger.
This isn't just grinding. It's the start of a high-tech transformation where raw meat meets pure precision.
The vault is open. This is the confidential blend of spices that gives the American hot dog its iconic soul.
The vault is open. This is the confidential blend of spices that gives the American hot dog its iconic soul.
This is where the flavor is born.
Spinning at 5,000 RPM, the meat becomes a liquid smooth emulsion. This is the science of texture.
Spinning at 5,000 RPM, the meat becomes a liquid smooth emulsion. This is the science of texture. Emulsion perfect. Watch this. High-speed nozzles fire meat into casings at a rate that defies the human eye.
Real hickory smoke. This is where the signature aroma and that golden brown color are locked in forever. Real hickory smoke. This is where the signature aroma and that golden brown color are locked in forever.
From fire to ice. This instant thermal shock is what creates that famous snap in every bite. Zero room for error. Advanced lasers scan every link to ensure only perfection leaves this floor.
Only 100%, only perfect links of the Lego Freud make it to your table.
The final seal. This vacuum technology ensures your hot dog stays fresh from the factory to your grill.
The heavy lifters. These AI-powered robots handle thousands of tons without ever taking a break.
Absolute hygiene. Every night, the factory undergoes a massive sterilization to stay 100% germ-free.
The moment of truth. From the secret formula to the perfect grill marks, mission accomplished.
Now you know the secret of American hot dogs.
See you tomorrow.
Subscribe to Alex Factory Inside for more industrial secrets.
Comment below, which factory should we visit next?